See, I'm finding all kinds of metal debris. There's supposed to be chicken wire and some kind of metal right there wrapped around that. There's bricks right there, like handmade bricks, it looks like. Yeah, there's bricks right there. So maybe there was a house or something somewhere. Kind of follow the bricks here and see. Yeah, there's more bricks. If you look, there's all kinds of bricks right there. Kind of follow it around here, and I want to see something. There's glass. That's old glass too. It's like green. Looks like green glass. Can't take anything out of here, so I don't want to be accused of stealing anything. Yeah, maybe water came like way up in here at one time. See, there's, yeah. Maybe at one time, way back when, water came. Yeah, there's an old can. I don't know what kind of can that is. There. Oh, that's a plant. Okay. But that's an old can. Looks like old Pepsi, maybe? Yeah, maybe have a couple bullet holes in it, too. There's more glass and stuff right in there. So if you look, there's glass there. The boat and everything was down in there. And there's a 60-gallon drum there, and there's like a little burning pit thing over there. And all these bricks. Now look, well, they look kind of old, but I don't know. I don't know how to date bricks. So, but yeah, there's all kinds of debris. There's a cable. There's an old cable. Pretty thick cable too. So was there a mining thing up here? I don't know. Geez, grasshopper scared me. They hit my arm. Let's see here. If there was, it probably got caved in or something by now by DNR and everybody else. Or game wardens, whatever you want to call them. I bet you it got caved in. But I think this is a place I might come explore a little bit more later. So, yeah, I think I'm going to come explore this later a little bit more and kind of poke my nose around and see what I find. Never know, I might find something really good back in here. So, but yeah, it's all kinds of metal debris back in here. I'm wondering if at one time the lake washed it up in this area. But I don't know. I'm just out exploring today. Kind of day I had to get out and get away from the house, which I don't do normally. So, like I said, this gives me a chance to get out and kind of burn a little energy off. Here's some more metal I just found. Yeah, that's the top to a 60-gallon drum. Looks like as I'm walking back down towards the trail, which is right over there, I'm finding all this metal stuff. So yeah, look at all this. Oh, barbed wire. Oh, bed spring. I just stepped on barbed wire. Wow, look at all this metal. Huh. That's an old metal box right there. Right there's an old metal box. Wow, okay. All kinds of metal washed up in this little corner. So, like I said, first time I've ever been in this area. And I'm going to do a exploration of Palo Duro Canyon too. Kind of work on trying to get some video shots of that one, but there's a lot of videos on Palo Duro. This is one that people don't realize is here, I guess, or something. It's not as well known, but a whole bunch of, look at that cable, man. Jeez, look how big that cable is. Makes me wonder what that cable went to. Barbed wire, cable. Yeah, that's barbed wire and cable. A boat right over here. Yeah, little cooker things over here. 60-gallon drum over there. There's another one there. Actually, two of them right there. And that, like I said, the boat is that way. I'm gonna get a picture of all of them and I'll post them in my Panhandle Exploration, Urban Exploring group that I have on Facebook. So we'll get them posted, the pictures posted. So if you want to come out and check this place out, it's actually not too bad. It's kind of interesting. I like it. So anyways, I'll see you in a bit.